Freelancers, are you tired of working endless hours just to make ends meet? Do you feel like the only way to increase your income is to sacrifice your free time, your sleep, and your sanity? Welcome back, budgeteers! Let's make your money work smarter, not harder. What if I told you there's a way to earn more money without working more hours? It's not a myth, it's about working smarter, not harder. Stick around, because I'm about to share the secrets that will change your freelance career forever. First up, let's talk about the most direct way to boost your income, raising your rates. Now, I know what you're thinking. What if my clients say no? What if I lose them? These are valid fears, but you have to know your worth. If you've been delivering high-quality work and have testimonials to back it up, you've earned the right to charge more. Start strategically. You don't have to double your prices overnight. A simple 10 to 20% increase for new clients is a great starting point. For existing clients, give them plenty of notice and explain the value you continue to bring. A small, confident rate increase can significantly boost your annual income without adding a single minute to your workday. Remember, quality clients are willing to pay for quality work. The second secret is upselling your services. Your clients already trust you, which makes them the perfect audience for additional offers. Think about what complementary services you could provide. If you're a writer, could you offer social media content packages to go with the blog posts they ordered? If you're a designer, could you offer brand style guides along with a logo? Create tiered packages, a basic, a standard, and a premium option. The premium package could include extra revisions, faster turnaround, or additional assets. You'd be surprised how many clients will choose a higher-priced option when they see the clear value and convenience it offers. It's about solving more of their problems, which makes you indispensable. Now for my personal favorite strategy, creating passive income streams. This is the ultimate way to make money while you sleep, literally. Passive income is work you do once that continues to generate revenue over time. Think about your expertise. What knowledge can you package and sell? You could create digital products like ebooks, design templates, or presets. You could build a short online course teaching a specific skill you've mastered. These products, once created, can be sold over and over again without any extra effort from you. It takes some initial work to set up, but the long-term payoff is incredible. It diversifies your income and frees you from the constant need to trade time for money. Our fourth strategy is a game changer. Be selective about your clients. Stop saying yes to every project that comes your way, especially the low-paying ones that drain your time and energy. It's time to focus on attracting and retaining high-paying clients. These are the clients who understand your value, respect your process, and don't try to haggle over every invoice. Firing a difficult, low-paying client can actually make you more money because it frees up your time and mental space to find and serve a better one. Create a profile of your ideal client and actively seek them out. By focusing your efforts on fewer, higher quality projects, your income will increase and your stress levels will plummet. Now, managing all these strategies, rate increases, upselling, passive income streams, and client management, can feel overwhelming. That's why having a system is crucial. I use the BudgetBoss planner specifically designed for freelancers. It has sections to help you plan your rate increases, track your income goals, brainstorm upselling opportunities, and organize all your active and passive income streams in one place. It takes the guesswork out of financial planning and helps you see exactly where your money is coming from, so you can optimize everything and truly start earning more. It's an essential tool for any freelancer serious about growing their business. So there you have it. 4 powerful strategies to increase your freelance income without working yourself into the ground. Raise your rates, upsell your services, build passive income, and focus on high-paying clients. Start implementing just one of these tips today, and you'll be on your way to a more profitable and enjoyable freelance career. Work smarter, not harder. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more freelance tips. Thanks for watching.